Friends, welcome back to Bharat Coders. So in this video, I am going to talk about how we can use the property setter in frappe to change the property of a standard field. So I will show you with one example. So let me open my Chrome, and since my local server is already running, so I will just open the local server, then switch to disk, and let's say if I go to task doc type, so let me go to task doc type, task list, and see when I'm creating a new task, if I edit full form, this is standard field. If you see status, this is standard field and it has some of the options. So by default we are getting open, and what I want to change is, like, by default it should not be selected here any of the options. So if I just customize this form and see this status field, so by default there is no default value, but because here no space is given, so that is why by default we are getting the open. So what I just want to add here space, so that by default any options should not be selected. So if I try to update it, so it is not allowing to update because this is a standard field. So how we can make the changes? So here it comes property setter. So if I go to property setter and add the property setter and select applied on the doc field, then select the doc type on which you want to use the property setter, and you have to give the field name on which you want to apply this property setter though. So the field name is status. Copy this field name, give here this field name, and in property I will give the options because I want to change in the option. So these are the options which are given by default. So I will copy this all the options, and in set value I will just paste all the options, and at first I will give one space, so that by default whenever I am creating new tasks, by default any option should not be selected here. So what I will do, I will just that's it. Now I will save it, and when I come back and refresh this page and try to add new task, if I click edit full form, and now you see in status by default there is no option selected because I have added the space. And with the help of property setter we are able to change the property of the standard field. So this is one of the use case of the property setter in frappe. So this is all about this video. If you like the content of the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.